Choco Chip Creek.
Look at these wild ones that we're in. Hey, that view is
Zardra's incredible, isn't it? See Hyperion at the front.
Whoa!
Whoa.
Oh gosh!
There's absolutely sweet at the back. Oh, that was nice. Oh, refreshing.
Whoa! We go again.
And again.
And again, and again, and again.
Sponsored by Flo.
Where's the camera? Probably here.
Right behind you, John. Wow, that's
I like
incredible
this
as well.
track. Oh, that's what he did. That big boy.
It's a lot steeper than you think.
This is a bit faster than you think. Well, that's the thing.
Yeah.
Got another left hill. Oh, so they've not finished this theme in here.
What's that one? Dragon.
Well, yeah, when we first seen the video of this, there was nothing, was there? Theming wise. I mean, there still isn't much. A few cookies.
Yeah.
Could do a lot more.
I do enjoy this ride though. So, yeah.
Huh?
View of the village.
Need more theme in here.
I like the little trees. Look at the little trees down here and stuff.
No biggies.